Obviously, Mahama and his brother are stealing our money. I know there's a mistake in here. And now I say no, I see doing Katia was champagne in the concert. I confirm the concert. I could continue. And so I bonus. So I didn't quite see but now say NDC for a ton forms 500,000. Say if Ghana for soldier for any police for Yafa move 500 pair. Yaji or mama can you see Kedino. Yafa more. Mamu never yakron for ama police for na bechiom. Kwasi empanyin sei ntimu nim so magimi sei and ama basi ento abama do mama oni twase yeso edum ka
abuza for me mamu nyina makwa about the bag Ghana and CMTV so but money so like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notification that next time videos of this channel also submit my cam say munyam no de bia no if me Mr. President to for Mr. President and just sama sa wadaroma na but money so like video no subscribe to the channel come on my for you by chance you would want to contribute to our studio works, being it sound, internet, lights, everything, but you'll reach out through number and that's it. Yes, I can better was a pound. So now
obviously Mahama and his brother are stealing our money. I know there's a mistake in here. And now I say no, I see doing Katia was champagne in the concert. I confirm the concert. I could continue. And so I bonus. So I didn't quite see but now say NDC for a ton forms 500,000. Say if Ghana for soldier for any police for Yafa move 500 pair. Yaji or mama can you see Kedino. Yafa more. Mamu never yakron for ama police for na bechiom. Kwasi empanyin sei ntimu nim so magimi sei and ama basi ento abama do mama oni twase yeso edum katia o kon se akonfem ansu aboro no o kon se akokonyini a ne ho atutu kwasi bi ba ebeduru vote time ebeduru campaign tambe ya be kire munyansa fokin magimi esenwan no kwasi over $300 million a Moses akoto private jet ma Ibrahim mama aboa no say sika no nko atimi sisa Ghana destiny etimi boa etimi sisa Ghana youth nyina destiny kwase bi ba tise wo wo de keka nkwase asem wo ujimi am obi aba pol mai bugi jimi ntafo kwase afo kra se oya bunoni aboa kwase bi ba tise wo kwase edum katia wo de amonya nkwase ade wo this time enye joko entina America check akuje tabla kwa no Trump no enipa boni ni wo de mami so de kwase abema wo ne aba America bio why the other UK for the France for what can say countries and small countries but that's what the UK Prime Minister attempt odi attempt na bika or more prince ni nyina prince of England or what is England for timakasa but that's what the France president attempt Macron or so munyina e ma musuru nkramfo agime fo am fam kwase anko be odi o matem odi China man panyini na ate odi obi atem enti sa akwa we no unim na wo se owi a okọ Cuba akwachi Cuba so president no akọtwe won so oyo no enti sa akwa we no sa unim na do kwase akọtwetwe jimilete bi no mbekuye nyina ono amuku ayi efezen areni e man panyini odi jimi na mo Russia beba we beba wo se o ba America omu okoku omo wa hu se country bi aba country fo no cross de omo bedi na chi omu kaso mu medina chi no hu de oyo omu de odi omatom social media ade ase ti se nipa we no yesi osuro bi owi ase on ti se unnim na mo de mu kwase am ba mfaso bi amam so na mo de mu jimi kwatwatwo jimi lete bi ba ha na me so mu a on memo obi adika ku wo Ghana wa ansa na Trump no bu abefu abegya abom ato Ghana be kum nipa asiafo mfaso bi anim so mmoa asia akofo ade na teso na ne ba awi asan kofa mansa ana black voter o sensu anka Ghana mo memi akọ muni twasro ate ntafo agimefo NDC fo mmoa asia Ibrahim mama agimefo ne wotantan be ma tantan kwase ampanyini ma wia sika o man sika to private jet man 2012 aman ase ya obibia ho kire o man ya maburu nya adwuma nya maba mbe bi hweso bi adwuma private jet obi dada mo se yasa kukuro man sika nyina akoto private jet ama boy na sa ankwase asem we anyway wasi amun sanfa mabuna juma yesi yezan yes kami omaji nipa 500,000 ya bo amoma kwaje bosia betua forms ya bra yenim si yem form wasi afo stupid people nipa no te wono umie adwuma man on san kwaje bosia mra aban na aban ni san nyini free because aban ne ekronfo na modi jimi ne na mo jimi ambo pa mo bi akuma ama no ene asiedu nkatia ne Ibrahim ama no wasi afo odi okuja to no unim na wo beye mabombo Trump na so o ba be ku Ghana fo a e ho na manante akonifi otimachire a na maka say any ma me nkyerem baabi a Ghana for mo frɛ Ghana military base mean baabi okugye to ne yere ne mawo munkoku omo first na mo mfa bom mo nante nko nkoku omo na mabeye warm up obi anchi baabi akukugye to hye bia mo nkyerem na Trump meku ono nko adan say wode bom we abeto abeku obi a okuro nko a Iranian fo no eno ya omo kokum nipa more than 800,000 and so no mu yi nipa 4 pe almost 1 million people because Iranian for na Jimmy Trump now announced say unti jomama we Jimmy dodo we yakwasia se wanya 8 billion na untimi ntua nurse fo a we yaboa se wanya 8 billion e wenya bosia na akobo eye NDC fo na e galamse sensuo na sami jamfie chinchim o monsa agisika no omo ana frɛ me ka kyerɛ me sɛ galamsey no omo ye no Mahama printi pipa bia ma omo aye o se obia police ni ba on kan kyerɛ omo sɛ lances a Mahama dia ma omo enti omo se nsuo na no petu anwumre omo de excavator no omo de se nyina Mahama ni Ibrahim Mahama na dia ma omo ɛna sami jamfini ko a gold 200 million no 25 million free omo o sisi omo no wasisi wa ho NDC fo no anya sika na fa bi tua teacher fo ka fa bi tua nurse fo ka a problem. Oh, enti muma Jimmy ewe nyina na NDC fo ne tami na aboa nurse fo ne bi NDC fo teacher fo ne bi NDC fo enyo omu nyina na MPP fo enti etwe omu ka ebeboa ma oman na yeye emoa ena no abeda gza
position ni bebre nso owa since ya yeto aba ye di afio e ko nanim you to no be from one monfa message nso a on reply no eti no empanifo ni bebre wo ho a on hwe ni yie e wo NDC aban mu most of empanifo no won nyinya positions ni bebre no bebre hwe ni yie because ama boys no bebre kasa kasa yes sebe ye yit uti na wan kasa ho a
wan kasa uti wan
thank you ye you are born eti abufu wo kuro mu no osofukum chacha no kura pa na meka kesi ni ade no because eto da bia obi timi fra me nia na ade we kura ye ne ye se yeah any ade ye from one ibi we mame mo vice president abaso e wo TV kesi e so hwe mi hu da vice president be hu me call I want from me back vice president professor Jena no poku adman me hu da se waye busy said dem kora ade ye che obe frɛ me ade ye che oni me be kasa me ba etsen so I say the way am I me be kasa na Mr. Julius Debra wo hu me call said den but nipa bebro wa ye se ye bo ondin wo fidie we so a everything all you
ntina man ko funu buofu
etina men ko funu buofu
no ba sabe akum chacha ke kwa be man ko funu buofu
da bi o che
no ko o ye who vice president of Farco who chief of staff of Farco etino o bo ma baso enkofo bi so from on so mfa many am telling you the other
why you my menu one one frame me one di name so mame no enya one amabo ondin me kire mu say one from one fa no so metumi abo ondin
o from one fa na obi so for sa go for na o fa
ola ka say said ye wo kasisi ase o from ma fa o be hu mesko kra bia return ko ye wo kofo bon so me ye die for sa party na abi o so kokwa e bia ye return and am for ye fanti no so betimi the problem I had
enya negative nko say ye be kasa wo mo fa ye ko but as say ye wo positive it will be ya the pa me ye mo na baso
bakum ye amofa course ni ye dey na mpese
the problem is say me ba
ye to me make negative nko a
na fo mesra omaya de hyehye mama ye ni na ho na amanyofo de adwe diagura che too much obi timi ka say na Ukraine ihwan wo bomb bi abeto Ghana agina bomb abeto ha ansi wan hu sunsun so
of this thing, none of them came to his aid. Woja papa no na wamama nkofo no so show dam abeyifui abeyudomi was so na ma papa no yembrel and then they had their way even when they took to Shraj kade okuja to nsam no kani on to improve no NDC kept saying those things na project no obeye Ghana fu ebufu so in the mind of Ghanaians no na MPP no one abeye he to the point that the project itself was part of the bitterness of some people because comfort the burning room on trim and that is what happened. Yeah.
I suffer for planning at the actual informant money. A day pan and no transfer when they resign.
And one can't I just want to okay, Quadre.
Marcus Mammy Cassim.
Yeah.
I didn't say, me chairman to a tea phone. Dear Ma Duncan Williams. Any nasi phone resign in the say. Obi pesa what should I say? Or ye supremo. I want a young coso. Ain't it so mu committee? I saw phone in na what nasi. Now, landlord dear, what's in the cam? Eh, Duncan Williams. Or person money nuts nasi. No mudu or no qua. Obia kotokoto no echiano. Duncan Williams
must develop. The time is already now. I am talking about the Nigo Prampan district. Okay? The Nigo Prampan district. This is a teacher's bungalow. Look at the bungalow that belongs to the teachers, where the teachers have been sleeping before they teach our children. Look at how it look like. Now come. The Nigo Secondary School. The entrance of the Nigo Secondary School. This is our security. This is our security room. Eno G was security room. Nenge Nigo Prampan District Secondary School. Nigo Prampan. Legenone. Come and let it go. Come. Padas no. Ne oye kake security man nge hear me no. Yasebo. If a security man is living in this particular area, how comfortable would the security man be able to keep the safety of the student over here? This is where the security man stays. But come. Come. Look at all this one. Oh God. The entrance of Nigo Secondary School. Entrance of Nigo Secondary School. Put the camera here. Security. Security. This is the security. All right? Go back a little bit. This is the security. Security of Nigo Secondary School. But look at our entrance. Blone, yeah, the road that is leading to the school. Blone, mascuomio, blogenone. Blogenone, this is the road that is leading to the school. Now, let the boy come, put the camera here. This is the entrance of the Nigo Secondary School. So I am asking you that if the entrance of the school look like this, what will be the inside of the school? What will be the inside of the school? Look at this. Look at this. Security room. Security. The safety of the people in the school, the children in the school, the security man. Look at it, where the security man is sleeping. Lawyers from Nigo Prampan District. Police officers from Nigo Prampan District. Soldiers from the Nigo Prampan District. Kings and queens. Machemeke manyeme. Ninye jegana popa no energy nugo Prampan alo nugo popa hio. Inge lani mabinye kesio. Nyete menye kan ke wa secondary school nge kan kikon. Ke mamba ke poni ni manje masi. Kama na abaya school ngeyo. Yasebo. Yasebo. Yabo. 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 Ke wa popa he. Wo wa secondary school nge kan kikon. Ne bene wa get nyange ange kik.
Ana me no kasei. Me no kasa sisi ya kaswa ho no mendra. A police akochi obi kunu. Di asema. Asuma na yiri so nkoto prepaid a auto prepaid no 200 Ghana cedis in the 3 days wa bone yiri nanu suma na ni ahono endro mo kofa no President Mahama first one oba part 1 ugu aware bebre through dum so part 2 sisi osanso ugu aware through aviator electricity prepaid aviator wa kofa dia ba beto yeso na President Mahama oba wa kilometer million. Now on kilometer man akufo at the time not saying you electricity wa hanum san na to prepaid ukroma wonko a wo buy nsema wo kan wo ka kire say wo be man cheap electricity wo buy wo de akọ 28 ahe percent water and then nkɔfoɔ nkyekyere ice block ɛnso ayɛ sini so ɔmo yɛ vortic ɛwɔ ɔmo fie adan pii nkɔ so wɔ ɔman mu kɔfoɔ braa na ɛbrɛ kyerɛ sɛ bi nso asan so ayi ne ti ɛnɛ mi ne ɔka sɛ adɛnta kyerɛ hɔ nom kɔfoɔ ada light ɛda bi nso mu 24 hours yɛn nso ɔmo light what is happening in this country ɛnna ne yɛ kasa a mo so me yɛ ka ayɛ sɛ obiara soro papa ne wɔ kurom ha obiara soro president Akufo-Addo ne John Mahama wɔn na yɛ panin. President Akufo-Addo and John Mahama, one a penny.